Welcome on my channel. I'm Ladislav and today I would like to discuss about businesses what is simply better to avoid. They could be easily bad investments for a long term. Let's start the blacklist. I ritually ignore bank stocks because we saw what happened to Lehman Brothers in 2008 or recently to Credit Suisse or the Silicon Valley Bank. Banks causes surprisingly too much trouble worldwide. Why should we take a high risk investing in a low private equity organization? The next bad idea are airline businesses. They tend to have also very low private equity and they suffer a lot from competition and labor strikes. Of course, the pandemic also affected deeply the airline business. I think that the airport itself is a much stable business. The next one is a yellow one, has a long history and has a fancy shining on the stage. But gold is one of the worst ideas for investing. It is a non-productive asset and I think that this kind of investment in a case of financial collapse brings additionally a deep stagnation. Buy a piece of farmland but not a gold. Actually, selling gold is much more difficult than buying. The original price is hard to get back what you paid. My blacklist includes definitely Bitcoin as well. It was earlier a big hype with fantasy, but it is also a non-productive asset. It will never produce anything, and most of the people knows that. Actually, treasuring Swiss currency at home would be a better idea. In my opinion, real estate is the next big bubble again. I personally prefer renting than buying homes, and I don't like the idea of paying back lifelong debt. Every house owner knows how much cost does it mean holding a house. In my opinion, buying long-term and index fund will bring you a higher financial stability in life. The next one is the car industry. It is a difficult business for a long-term perspective. We know Tesla, NIO, BYD, Rivian or Porsche, but they are risky investments. And the long-term investor should not take this kind of hot insecurity. The competition is extremely high in the car industry. The last one are simply new markets and new technology like artificial intelligence. Of course, it is a very exciting every discovery, but those inventions must take first time on the market and show some kind of stability. Only time can prove them correctly. These are my thoughts today, and my intention is to give you some supporting ideas to filter out bad ideas because a good investment does not come along very often, and today are enough professional sales managers outside to sell something to you. A mental filter is essential to keep money in your pocket. Let me know what do you personally think about these investments. Do you have maybe some experience with them? This is the end of my video and I hope that you enjoyed the content. See you next time. Bye.